Hey, I got a product for you today by HOLYSTONE. It's the HS900 Sub 250 Sirius. 3-axis, 1/2.3 inch sensor drone, and this one should be a solid performer. There are some of the features: 48 megapixel photos, ultra 4K. Cameras of this type tend to do pretty good. This does have visual tracking, a 3-axis gimbal, intelligent flight modes other than visual tracking, and it's a foldable 249 gram product. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's check the box. Let's get the glare off of this thing and see what it looks like and what it feels like. All right. So a HS900, this is the higher end of the HOLYSTONE line. Sirius is its product name, so Sirius. I kind of want to say Cirrus, but it's Sirius. All right, so they're serious with this drone. All right, let's check out the packaging, see what it looks like inside. Looks like it's got a nice case. That's always good. It's always a plus. Like these cased products, ones that are just nicely portioned out. Nice small case. It's not a very large case. I really do like these rectangular ones. Things just fit a little nicer inside. So we've got a carry handle, and we got a carry strap. A non-removable carry strap. I went through a period of time where I would just tear these off because I didn't like the straps hanging, but it's okay. I just leave them on now. All right, inside the box, we have probably a manual in here. Nicely packaged manual. It'll be interesting to see how the app works with this and how the files move. So there's your quick start guide right there. More than likely, we'll have to do a little bit of adjustment in its starting, meaning that we'll have to do a little calibration, which is pretty much standard. Let's see what else this thing has. So in here, my guess is we've got a battery charger and batteries. So we'll go ahead and open that up. Come on, box. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, nice. I really like this. I really like these companies that are doing better battery management. Excellent. This one's actually ready to fly too. You could actually fly this one today. And we also have an out port, so we could use this as a battery bank. I like this. These guys threw that cable in there. I've been actually doing that. I've been using this extra port, or this extra battery slot. But yeah, smart batteries. That is really nice. These are really good feeling batteries. Let's see what the batteries are. 22, so 11. So this is a, let's see, 17. Let's see, 2S. And I think that's 2250, the capacity. It's hard for me to see. I think it's 2250. I guess we could zoom in. See, what's it say right there? Yep, 2250s. All right, let's do a little bit more research here. All right, so pretty cool. Oh, what else is in the box? Looks like we have, let's see, second cable, extra props, screwdriver, prop screws, and looks like an app cable. I'm guessing this is a C Yep, C2C control link, so OTG cables. Let's go ahead and just put that in there, and we will get this drone ready to go. Okay, here we go. This is our drone. So let's see what the Sirius looks like. All right. So underneath, we have two sets of sensors. We've got a light. We've got some exhaust heat ports. Motors feel good. Unbranded. Typical props for this side. Let's see, we're looking for card slot. Yeah, we got a card slot in the back, and we also have a charge or a link, a cable link. This could be key to getting information off. I don't know if we can use this for, I'm wondering if we can use that to move data. Oh yeah, we sure can. We can charge up the battery inside of the drone. That is a big step. So a lot of good things happening with this. So we'll see if we can pull information from the card with it in the drone. Would be a really nice step forward. So yeah, battery fits in very nice. Very nice. This is a 2 battery pack. I was wondering if there would be a battery in this, so this is only 2 batteries. All right, so mostly a Fly More kit. Okay, 2 batteries is always good, especially if they last a long time. Now, we don't know how long the batteries last. Let's go ahead and look at the camera under the gimbal. It says open. I'm gonna pull this tab. And we will unseal the gimbal. I just want to look at the gimbal really quick. Looks like the arms are replaceable. Little reinforcements in there. Looks like it's built really well. This is not just thrown together. It looks very like stout. Let's go ahead and get that right there. There's our camera. I always look at the gimbal just to do a little bit of research on what it feels like. f2.6, so a little bit more depth of field. Usually it's f2.8. Fixed aperture. Feels good. Now it looks like we've got a little, we've also got a clip on there. So we have to definitely take that plastic off. So make sure you do that. And give the camera, unleash the beast, the camera. So it really is looking good. Struggling to get the camera guard back on. There we go. All right, struggling to get that in there. All right, so really good looking drone. Really looks like it's built well. I think this is a huge step forward right here. I really do think that's great. So this should hover really nice. All right, let's put the drone in there. Do a thorough unboxing. And last thing is we'll look at is the controller. A smaller controller. It does feel like it's got some good batteries in it. That's where most of the weight of this comes from. All right, so we have we got dual antennas. We've got we got fold away gimbals, which is nice. These go on very quickly and nice. Looks like we got a little bit of there's a little camera adjustment. Looks like it's EV plus and negative, and maybe that might be a zoom. We'll be finding that out. You got a speed switch and a return to home button. So a lot of interesting things. And then of course your phone attaches to the bottom via the OTG cable, which will connect right there. So everything's kind of packaged away. What do you got over here? Type C. Over here, it says Type C. Oh, this is for power, for connecting to charge, and that is for control. So there is our controller. Everybody's updated and upgraded their controllers, so looks good. All right, so the HOLYSTONE Sirius HS900. HOLYSTONE Sirius HS900 with 2 batteries. I guess their version of a Fly More kit. All right, Dad Random. All right, let's go fly this thing. All right, for Dad Random. And once again, we've got the Sirius HS900 by HOLYSTONE. Very cool.